If you're interested in working with your hands, learning how vehicles work, and building a long-term career, Walser's entry-level technician role is a great place to start. In this position, you'll begin by performing essential maintenance, things like oil changes, tire inspections, brake checks, and other light repairs. It's hands-on, fast-paced, and work that helps you build a strong technical foundation from day one. But what really sets this opportunity apart is how we invest in your growth. At Walser, we believe technicians are the future of our business, and the best in the business deserve to be treated that way. That's why we built our Tech Life program, to give you the training, mentorship, and support you need to succeed long-term. You won't be learning on your own. You'll be part of a close-knit team, working alongside experienced technicians and team leaders who are there to guide you, coach you, and help you build confidence as your skills develop. We focus on smaller team structures because we know that's how people learn best, through consistent training, real-world experience, and support from those around them. And if you're just getting started, whether you've recently graduated from a technical college or are looking to pursue a degree in automotive technology, we support that too, with tuition assistance and reimbursement to help you continue building your skills. We also invest in your future in real, tangible ways, supporting your training, manufacturer certifications, your continuing education, and even relocation as you grow your career. Because as you grow, we grow with you. And as you continue to build your skills, your path becomes even clearer. Our training plans are designed to help you identify strengths and help you advance, whether that means becoming a master technician, stepping into a tech team lead role, or moving into leadership as a service manager. Like every role at Walser, this position is part of a designed career path. You're not just starting a job, you're building a future in a high-demand, highly skilled profession. If you're dependable, motivated, and ready to learn, this is your opportunity to turn a starting point into a long-term, rewarding career.